بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Allah's name to commence with, the most gracious, the most merciful.
قد سمع الله قول التي تجادلك في زوجها وتشتكي إلى الله والله يسمع تحاوركما إن الله سميع بصير.
Allah has indeed heard the conversation of the woman who argues with you, O beloved, concerning her husband, and complains to Allah, and Allah is hearing the conversation of both of you. Indeed, Allah is all-hearing, all-knowing.
الذين يظاهرون منكم من نسائهم ما هن أمهاتهم إن أمهاتهم إلا اللائي ولدنهم وإنهم ليقولون منكرا من القول وزورا وإن الله لعفو غفور.
Those amongst you who address their wives as their mothers, i.e., do zihar, they are not in reality their mothers. Their mothers are only those from whom they are born, and undoubtedly they utter evil and blatant lie. And Allah is indeed definitely pardoning and most forgiving.
والذين يظاهرون من نسائهم ثم يعودون لما قالوا فتحرير رقبة من قبل أن يتماسا ذلكم توعظون به والله بما تعملون خبير.
And those amongst you who address their wives as their mothers, then wish to return to that matter upon which they had uttered such an evil word. It is therefore necessary upon them to free a slave in expiation, before this that they touch one another. This is what you are advised with, and Allah is aware of your deeds.
فمن لم يجد فصيام شهرين متتابعين من قبل أن يتماسا فمن لم يستطع فإطعام 60 مسكينا ذلك لتؤمنوا بالله ورسوله وتلك حدود الله وللكافرين عذاب أليم.
Then the one who does not find a slave, so he should fast for 2 consecutive months before this, that they touch one another. And the one who cannot even fast, so he should feed 60 masakin, i.e., needy people. This is for the reason that you may have faith in Allah and His Messenger, and these are the limits of Allah, and for the disbelievers is a painful punishment.
إن الذين يحادون الله ورسوله كبتوا كما كبت الذين من قبلهم وقد أنزلنا آيات بينات وَلِلْكَافِرِينَ عَذَابٌ مُهِينٌ.
Indeed, those who oppose Allah and His Messenger, they have been humiliated like those before them were humiliated. And we have indeed sent down clear verses, and for the disbelievers is a disgraceful punishment.
يَوْمَ يَبْعَثُهُمُ اللَّهُ جَمِيعًا فَيُنَبِّئُهُم بِمَا عَمِلُوا أحصاه الله ونسوه والله على كل شيء شهيد.
The day when Allah will raise all of them together, then inform them of their evil deeds. Allah has kept count of them, and they have forgotten them, and all things are before Allah.
ألم تر أن الله يعلم ما في السماوات وما في الأرض ما يكون من نجوى 3 إلا هو رابعهم ولا 5 إلا هو سادسهم إلا هو سادسهم ولا أدنى من ذلك ولا أكثر إلا هو معهم أينما كانوا ثم ينبئهم بما عملوا يوم القيامة إن الله بكل شيء عليم.
O listener, did you not see that Allah knows whatever is in the heavens and whatever is in the earth? Wherever there is any secret discussion amongst three, so he is the fourth present. And if the secret discussion is amongst five, so he is the sixth. And there is no discussion amongst less or more, except that he is with them wherever they may be. Then on the day of resurrection, he will inform them of what they did. Indeed, Allah knows everything.
ألم تر إلى الذين نهوا عن النجوى ثم يعودون لما نهوا عنه ويتناجون بالإثم والعدوان ومعصية الرسول وإذا جاءوك حيوك بما لم يحيك به الله ويقولون في أنفسهم لولا يعذبنا الله بما نقول حسبهم جهنم يصلونها فبئس المصير.
Did you, O beloved, not see those who were forbidden to secretly have evil consultation? Then they do specifically that which had been forbidden, and consult each other for sinning and exceeding limits and disobeying the messenger. And when they present themselves in your august court, so they greet you with words which Allah did not say in your honor, and they say in their hearts, why does Allah not punish us for saying this? Hell is sufficient for them. They will go down into it, and what a despicable outcome.
يا أيها الذين آمنوا إذا تناجيتم فلا تتناجوا بالإثم والعدوان ومعصية الرسول وتناجوا بالبر والتقوى واتقوا الله الذي إليه تحشرون.
O believers, when you consult each other, so do not consult for sinning, nor exceeding the limits, nor disobeying the messenger, and consult for righteousness and piety, and fear Allah towards whom you will be raised.
إنما النجوى من الشيطان ليحزن الذين آمنوا وليس بضارهم شيئا إلا بإذن الله وعلى الله فليتوكل المؤمنون.
The evil secretive consultation is only from the devil, in order that he may sadden the believers, and he cannot harm them in the least without the order of Allah. And the Muslims should put their trust in only Allah.
يا أيها الذين آمنوا إذا قيل لكم تفسحوا في المجالس فافسحوا يفسح الله لكم وإذا قيل انشزوا فانشزوا يرفع الله الذين آمنوا منكم والذين أوتوا العلم درجات والله بما تعملون خبير.
O believers, when you are told to make space in gatherings, so make space. Allah will give you space, and when it is said, stand up, then stand up. Allah will raise the ranks of the excellent believers amongst you and those who have been given knowledge, and Allah is aware of your deeds.
يا أيها الذين آمنوا إذا ناجيتم الرسول فقدموا بين يدي نجواكم صدقة ذلك خير لكم وأطهر فإن لم تجدوا فإن الله غفور رحيم.
O believers, when you wish to consult secretly with the messenger, So before you request, give some charity. This is better and much purer for you than if you do not have the means to give charity. So Allah is most forgiving, most merciful.
أأشفقتم أن تقدموا بين يدي نجواكم صدقات فإذ لم تفعلوا وتاب الله عليكم فأقيموا الصلاة وآتوا الزكاة وأطيعوا الله ورسوله والله خبير بما تعملون.
Were you afraid of this, that you give some charity before your request to the messenger? Then when you did not do this, i.e., the act of giving charity, and Allah directed His mercy towards you, so keep salah established and give zakah and remain obedient to Allah and His messenger, and Allah is aware of your deeds.
ألم تر إلى الذين تولوا قوما غضب الله عليهم ما هم منكم ولا منهم ويحلفون على الكذب وهم يعلمون.
Did you not see those, i.e., the hypocrites who befriended such people upon whom is Allah's wrath? They are neither amongst you nor amongst them, and they knowingly swear a false oath.
أعد الله لهم عذابا شديدا إنهم ساء ما كانوا يعملون.
Allah has kept prepared a severe punishment for them. Indeed, they commit extremely evil deeds.
اتخذوا أيمانهم جنة فصدوا عن سبيل الله فلهم عذاب مهين.
They have made their false oaths as a shield, so they prevented believers from the path of Allah. So for them is a disgraceful punishment.
لن تغني عنهم أموالهم ولا أولادهم من الله شيئا أولئك أصحاب النار هم فيها خالدون.
Their wealth and their children will be of no use to them at all before Allah. They are the people of hell. They are to remain therein forever.
يوم يبعثهم الله جميعا فيحلفون له كما يحلفون لكم ويحسبون أنهم على شيء ألا إنهم هم الكاذبون.
The day when Allah will raise them all, so they will swear oaths in His majestic court, the way they now swear oaths in front of you, and they assume that they have done something good. Do you listen? Indeed, it is they who are the liars.
استحوذ عليهم الشيطان فأنساهم ذكر الله أولئك حزب الشيطان ألا إن حزب الشيطان هم الخاسرون.
The devil has overpowered them, so they forgot the remembrance of Allah. They are the group of the devil. Listen, indeed, only the group of the devil is in loss.
إن الذين يحادون الله ورسوله أولئك في الأذلين.
Indeed, those who oppose Allah and His Messenger, they are amongst the lowest.
كتب الله لأغلبن أنا ورسلي إن الله قوي عزيز.
Allah has already decreed that I will definitely dominate, and as well as my messengers. Indeed, Allah is all-powerful, most honorable.
لا تجد قوما يؤمنون بالله واليوم الآخر يوادون من حاد الله ورسوله ولو كانوا آباءهم ولو كانوا آباءهم أو أبناءهم أو إخوانهم أو عشيرتهم أولئك كتب في قلوبهم الإيمان وأيدهم بروح منه ويدخلهم جنات تجري من تحتها الأنهار خالدين فيها رضي الله عنهم ورضوا عنه أولئك حزب الله ألا إن حزب الله هم المفلحون.
O beloved, you will not find the people who believe in Allah and the last day that they befriend those who oppose Allah and His Messenger, even though they may be their fathers or their sons or their brothers or their tribesmen. It is these people upon whose hearts Allah has inscribed faith and has helped them with a spirit from Himself, and He will admit them into gardens beneath which rivers flow, abiding in them forever. Allah is pleased with them, and they are pleased with Him. This is Allah's group. Listen, ultimately, only Allah's group is successful.
صدق الله العظيم.